Today on Yorkshireman models we've got a bit of an oldie classic, the Heller JA37 Jagdwagen. No idea if I'm pronouncing that right, so we'll just say JA37. Anyway, it's an old kit. I can remember doing one of these a long time ago when I was a lad. Now, I've bought a few older kits now just to get that old memory going. I'm a bit nostalgic for the kits I did in the past. So, first off, says here made in France. Oops, sorry, there you go, made in France, upside down. That's better. But yeah, it says in this corner, made in Germany. So whichever. Some instructions there. They've got the English. They've got nearly every country European one that you're probably going to know at least one of them. But there's the English. Side of the box. Sorry about that. It shows you it's 1/72 scale. You've got 66 pieces. The other side of the box shows you the dimensions and also a little bit of drawing of what the kit is. And on this side you've got a little code if you want to learn more about the product. Obviously you can just scan that with your phone. Shows you the decals you get, a picture of the aircraft already made. But this is the interesting bit. Like I say, when I were a lad, 1977 and 1998 you're a mould manufacturer. I'll have bought it as a lad and made it in 77, so I'm 50 odd now. But it has got fully revised mould in 2020, so hopefully it's improved a little bit, but as I remember as a kid it were a good kit back then. It's got information about it. Where are we? The English there, telling you about it, the Swedish Air Force AJ37, sorry, all weather TAP versions, and then it goes on SK37s, SF, and then JA37, the perfected version, this version. So, first off, let's get in the box and see what you get. And that's reminiscent of old kits, by the way. Oh, there's the size. But that's reminiscent. Only 66 pieces. You didn't tend to get kits with hundreds and hundreds of pieces like you do these days. Don't ask me why. We seem to want more and more, but that's what we're copying for. So, I've just got to do these on here. I forget about that with Ella boxes. It's like a flip lid. You just have to score down these edges here. Put like a clear one so you don't see it too well. We'll clear that, get that out of the way in a second. There you go. Right. So, like I say, flip lid. Let's open that up. We've got instruction manual. It has got colour on front, but they are in black and white and they look very oldie style, but it's not that bad. And then you've got your kit. Now they're not in bags, these kits, as you can see. We have got clear parts in bags to protect them, which is good. But we've got 1, 2 and 3 sprues. Not a lot, but then again, there's only 66 parts. First off, we'll do these sprue parts. And you can see straight away, we've got raised detail. Now, knew it was going to be that, because this is what that kit was back then. So I'm alright with it. But if you're wanting a version that's recessed detail, so you can do panel line filling, all of that kind of thing, I recommend finding a different version. But the actual mould seems pretty clear, with a little bit of flashing, but nothing exceptional. Doesn't look too bad. Plastic feels nice. It's not greasy. Or should I say, it's not got feels like lots of release agent left on it. But yeah, you can see there, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. But like I say, these are not going to be kits where it's the super detail. Couple of seats, and they're not too bad at all. Got the nose there. Got your cockpit tubs. We've got undercarriage, some more wing parts. More undercarriage, more pieces. Not too bad. That's sprue 3, the other one was sprue 2. And this will be sprue 1, I'm presuming. Yep, sprue 1. And on this one, you've got the main body. Again, you can see it's all raised detail. You've got to accept it. Wheels don't look too bad. Got, looks like fuel tank, external. Couple of missiles here, there's 4 there. Got the rails, the cockpit detail there. That's not too bad to say for age. Then again, that could be part of what they've redone. But yeah, as a whole, it doesn't look too bad at all. It's just nostalgia for me. All I'm getting back in my head is from when I was a kid and opening these other kits up for the first time. Because when I was a kid, other kits, there's always a bit of you could get some really stranger aircraft if you know what I mean. Which were nice when because it weren't just your Spitfires, your Messerschmitts. Sorry about that. Your Spitfires and Messerschmitts, all the usual basic ones that you used to get from Airfix and Matchbox. The decal set. Decals feel alright, feel very nice actually. Decals, I don't know makes them, I might have a look at the bot, but they're not bad. Feel alright. Nice and shallow, they're not fat decals, i.e. Tamiya. Instructions, I'm not expecting a lot from the instructions to be honest. We've got making up the cockpit, obviously fitting it in, putting the fuselage together, putting the main wings together, pylons for underneath. We're already doing quite a lot here, we're only on stage 4, so it shows you how quick you can build these kits. Stage 5, the wings are going on, front ones and the rear. We've got the centre section here going in, which is what's holding your canopy. Don't know if I'll be putting that in first, but usually I put it last so that I can spray it all up and add it at the end. And under here we've got your pylons, your missiles and other bits there. And the very last, if you can just see, is the undercarriage. And then on the last page we have got the decal, well, the design for decal, or really big they're going, should I say. 1992, the Saab JA37, and you've got, looks like a light grey and a bluey colour on the top. So it's not too much in paint wise for camouflage. You've got some blacks you're going to want, probably a few other small colours, but we're not talking about a lot of colours. But it should make up into looking like a pretty nice kit. Like I say, I'll just do these on. I forgot the clear parts put to one side. It's just nostalgia for me. It's bringing back, and for a lot of people that have come back to modelling, that's what it is. It's bringing back your youth in a way a little bit. Right, let's have a look at these clear parts. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 by the looks of it. I can't see any more on there. 2 cockpit ones. It looks like that's from the side or somewhere. I don't know. Couldn't say. But like I say, 4 parts there. Yeah, it's alright. Nice and clear and see-through. Obviously that one's not, but the actual canopy ones are. Yeah, it's $17.99 I think it is, something like that. That's English pounds by the way. From, well, British, before I get slaughtered by anybody who's not English. British pounds. So it's $17.99 off Amazon. That's delivery. I thought, that's pretty cheap that. I've also bought a couple of others and I'll do some quick unboxings on them there. Hope you like the video. It's nice, quick, and get to see what kind of kits that's going to be coming up on Workbench soon. And if you want to see me build this, get notified about it, subscribe to my channel. Be massively grateful if you do, really would. I'd be even as much grateful if you just give me a thumbs up for the video. And thanks a lot for watching. Hope to see you around for next time. Cheers.